going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It is the 9th of March, Thursday morning, bright and early, looking at Casper cryptocurrency as the pullback does continue to the downside. On the positive side, finding some support at a couple levels we're going to talk about. Take a quick look at Bitcoin, and then we'll discuss some of my thoughts here on the market moving forward. So guys, welcome. Let's take a look here at the charts and get this video rolling. So currently Casper is down this morning. It's 4:21 in the morning on the East Coast, currently down 2.94%. Yesterday, as we look at the charts here, we talked about two new levels that we had put on yesterday's video in the charts. One was at 361, guys, which is right where the price is finding support so far today, the 9th of March. One is down here at 319. 319 is that level. So far, the price has pulled back to our level number one, which is 361. That's a new level. Above that, we have 363 and 366. Right up here, 366, 363. And then our new level in blue, which is 361. There is a lot of previous support there for Casper at that level. You can see all in here. Well, we had support there. It was resistance. It got flipped, and then it turned into support, and then we had a nice run up. So there's a chance that the price could pause here and have a reaction back to the upside. There's always that chance. If not, 334 is below the market. That is where this candle wick on the 15th traded down to a low of 331. Then we also have 319, guys. That's our level number two, our most recent level that we put in yesterday's video as well. So we just don't know where the price will stop. It could stop right where it's at today. We got a cluster of three levels there, which is, adds that whole area some more importance there, but doesn't mean it will hold. Really depends on what Bitcoin does, and we're going to get into that in just a moment here. I also, if you have noticed, I have moved my arrow with my circle over to where we are currently trading at, or actually into tomorrow's candle, but I just moved it over to the right just so it doesn't block today's candle. So that represented basically the depth of this, call it a head and shoulders, some kind of a topping pattern, with basically this being a neckline, a 45-degree line. I understand this pattern is not perfect, but it does have a very toppy look to it, a very rough head and shoulders. Believe me, I understand. It's not perfect. So I took the depth of this base from basically the neckline to the high, which would be the head if it was a legit head and shoulders. And I had that projection over in this time frame, which was in the end of February. And that took us down, say we did a full move based on this base alone, took us down to roughly that 284 level. Well, it turns out the market actually rallied higher, and then we have broken down starting on the 7th of March. So I moved that target over. And where does that take us if we do a full move? Right now, we are down to it's roughly the 3 cent. So it's 0.030 would be the target based on that, based on this pattern, this topping pattern. Doesn't mean we're going to make that full move down to the 3 cent level. But if we just take the depth of this and bring it over to where we are currently at, it gets us down to that 3 cent mark. Now, I don't have any potential support at 3 cents. I do have, well, not at 3 cents even. I do have levels slightly above, so I think there's more of a chance that the price would stop there than head down to 3 cents on the money. So we have a 319, which is new, which we put in yesterday's video. We have a 313, which is below that. And then we have a 310. So I think there's more of a chance that the price, if the price got down to that low, that is where it would stop. One, because we have a cluster of levels there, similar to where we're currently trading at now, which is the 3.6 level right here. But also that area, that 319, 313, 310 area is old resistance. So this area right here, if we take a look back on the charts, this whole area was resistance as the price bumped its head on it multiple times here. And then it finally broke out to the upside. So technical analysis, the price would come back down to that level, which was old resistance, find support, find a footing, and then maybe can continue higher there, or at least pause for a while. So I think that's more of a realistic area if the price does continue to fall, not necessarily going back down to 3 cents, kind of stopping in that 3.1, 3.19, 3.13 area, which is right here on the charts. I'm not rooting for it. I'm not saying it will happen. It might not happen. We might find support where we're currently at today. So far we have. But if the price does continue to slide under 361, heading down to that 334 level, which is right here, there's a chance that we head lower and retest this old area of resistance, flipping it into support, which would be 310, 313, and roughly 319. RSI below the market still has further to go. It's definitely trending to the downside, but it could definitely head much lower. It looks like today we have a 42, so it could definitely head much lower. I know this morning we put out a flare network short, and that was at 26 for the RSI. So it can head down quite a bit lower. If we rally from here, like I said, the next level above the market is 415. I talked about that in yesterday's video. But right now, we're trying to find some footing under the price. Casper is, I should say. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of these subscribers. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. Appreciate it. Helps the channel. Helps the video get out to other like-minded investors. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. So Bitcoin is actually falling a little bit from where we were currently at about an hour ago this morning. So Bitcoin we talked about and have been talking about recently. It wedged up. We talked about that, and it is falling. The wedge is breaking. Even though it was only a couple days, it is breaking. So if we don't find support where we're currently at, which is 21,694, which it looks like it's not going to, but many hours left in the trading day, so it surely could. There's a price down here at 20,678. We could be heading down to that level. That's the next line in the sand is 20,678. We had support there over in this time frame, which was in early to mid-January. We also had support, though, where we're currently at 21,694, and that was in this circle right here. But so far, the trend is to the downside. We have lower highs, we have lower lows, and lower highs, and so far another lower low yesterday, the 8th of March. So the reason why I bring up Bitcoin is because if Bitcoin continues to slide, we could see that Casper price continue to slide as well, getting back down into that low 3-cent range, or maybe even further, maybe hitting that 3 cent on the money. But like I said, I think support will show up further up in price at the 310, 313, or even 319. So guys, that's my thoughts on Casper cryptocurrency. I'm not rooting for the price to go down. I'm not rooting for the price to go up. I'm just looking at where the price is currently and some of the levels I have on the chart and kind of what to expect moving forward, kind of the plan ahead a little bit here if you're either looking to, one, lock in profits from you purchased lower and you're up in the you're in profit, and maybe you look at this chart thinking, okay, well, maybe I bought down at 262. Real quick, let's talk about that. 262. Maybe you bought at 262 and your position is currently up 37%. Well, if the price drops down into the 310, 313, 319 level, that 37% profit might only be worth 20, 18, 17%. So maybe you're looking at this video or this chart thinking, okay, well, let me lock in half my profits, or let me lock in all my profits, whatever the case may be, and you'll still get that return wherever it is you bought in from where the price is currently. Or maybe you're looking at this in the opposite direction. All right, the Casper price is currently down from the high a few days back. Let's see here. The price is down 21%. So you're getting a 21% discount. Casper cryptocurrency is on sale 21% from a couple days ago. So you're looking to maybe buy more, add to your Casper bags. Depends how you look at it. Everybody has a different situation, guys. So far, finding support at 361. Let's see how the day plays out, guys. That's my thoughts on Casper cryptocurrency. Thanks for joining us here on the channel. Thanks for watching the video. You guys have a great Thursday. We'll be back throughout the day and this morning here with some more videos on some different stocks, cryptos, and the market. Thanks, guys. Take care. Have a great day.